Hey, it's Leah, and today I want to teach you how to get 100 to 200 leads daily on Autopilot. I really appreciate you joining me here today, so let's get started. How everyday people are getting 100 to 200 leads every single day without a website, without paid traffic, without creating content. As a little bonus, I'm going to give you my private cheat sheet. How you can get 100 to 200 leads a day on Autopilot. This cheat sheet will show you exactly how to profit from this method and just how easy it is for you to do so. If you want a copy, please stick around until the very end and I'll tell you how you can download it for free. Also, please don't worry about trying to take extensive notes. At the end of today's video, I'll show you how to get a copy of the slides and the notes. Deal? Before we continue, here's what you're going to discover during this workshop. How you can get up to 6,000 leads a month that you can email every single day without spending any money on traffic. How you can profit from a referral program that pays you 5 levels deep using this simple online system. A method without begging your friends to join and without buying tons of junk products. The counterintuitive way to become a super affiliate so you can finally make real money online. The 3 keys to massive success with this system. How you can stand out and get your emails opened and clicked on. My promise to you, a step-by-step strategy for getting 100 to 200 leads a day without creating a website, social media following, paid traffic, or any of the other methods, the tools that you've been told to do online marketing and what it requires. I have some really cool secrets for you, plus some critical things you need to understand. Do you have a strong desire to make money online by helping other people transform their lives, but you keep hitting roadblocks? Do you want to make money online without having to learn any technical wizardry? Are you tired of feeling like a loser while others make online marketing look so easy? Are you working long and hard on your online business and feel like you have nothing to show for it? Are you struggling to break free from the job that you hate? Do you have 15 minutes a day to work on your online business, but you don't know the number one thing you should do during that time to make real money online? Most of what you've been told about making money online is completely wrong. The real problem? You don't have an email list that you can email daily. Does it sound like you? Now you can get an email list without any tech skills, without a website, without paid traffic, or any of those other things that you've been told that you need in order to succeed. The one thing you need to know, you can now get 100 to 200 leads a day just by participating in a lead source I'm going to share with you. If you're like most people, you know you deserve to make money online, but the usual ways to make money online just aren't working for you. The game has changed. A brief introduction. My name is Leah Fike. I love selling products in the internet marketing space and helping others do the same. My specialty is in helping struggling digital marketers make their first sale online without all the obstacles. Confession. Yes, I have struggled too. Rock bottom. There have been numerous times in my marketing career where I have almost lost it all. And the only thing that has consistently saved me is having an email list. I've racked up debt up to my eyeballs, had cash flow issues, and more. I've been able to recover every single time by focusing on email marketing. So if you've ever been nervous about making money online, or if you'll ever find success, then you are in the right place. The turning point: decided to take a leap of faith and try something just a little bit different. Decided to commit to a new list building strategy. And what happened next was rather unexpected. My life changed forever. Not only did I start to get 200 leads a day I could mail, I also started getting reoccurring commission payments coming in daily. I accidentally discovered a top secret untapped lead source, which I will reveal to you today. The only pathway to lasting success is to focus. Follow one course until success. Stop trying every new thing that comes in your path. Instead, start emailing a list that gets handed to you on a silver platter every day. Here's why this is important. Struggling online marketers have been able to make passive residual sales with the MLGS method. It is a fast and easy system for newbies and veterans to make money online. I want to help you go from 0 to 200 leads a day in your first 30 days. So let's get into the 3 steps to achieving this goal. Step 1, every day email the leads you get with the system I share with you. Step 2, share your journey with the system online with others so they see the progress that you're making and sign up too. Step 3, help your customers do Step 1 and Step 2. Here's why this is so important. By mailing the leads every day, you should eventually make some sales. Once you make a sale, you go from 100 leads to 200 leads a day. By sharing your journey, you can help others escape the rat race faster. Plus, when they sign up, you earn residual commissions. When you help your referrals make sales, you earn more money. The system pays reoccurring commissions 5 levels deep, but you probably think this will be hard and expensive. If you're like most people, you probably don't have a clue on how to get 100 or more leads a day. You may not have the amount of traffic required to get that many leads. You likely don't have any idea what to email your new leads. So clearly, I need to give you the solution to these problems. What I've just shown you is the exact system I've personally used to add thousands to my bank account and hundreds of dollars a month in passive income so far. Are you ready to get started? If so, let's get started right now.